Hi there, I'm Ryan Castle here with my friend Patrick Pallas from PallasLaw.com. Patrick, what do you say we take this to the coffee shop? I have my Hall & Oates coffee cup ready to go.
I've got my my Hawaiian turtles. Let's do this. Go.
Patrick, this is an important one. What is a contingency fee? How does that work?
That's a really good question. I get asked that a lot, right? A contingency fee means that you do not pay me to represent you by giving me a retainer or paying me by the hour like you would in a family law case or a criminal case. A contingency fee means I don't get paid until we win your case, and then my fees are a third of the whole outcome, right? So if it's a $100 case, then my fees are $33. That's a contingency fee, but it's contingent because it's contingent on winning. It's contingent on success in a case. So if I don't win,
you don't get paid.
Don't get paid. I get joked about being the hardest working free attorney you can find, right?
Not just one attorney, a whole team of them.
A whole team of hardworking attorneys. But that really doesn't happen. We take cases and where we know our skill set's going to make you win and get you success that you need, and we work hard in every case that way.
So I'm not picking up the phone, calling you, and writing a check that day.
That's right.
The clock isn't running every time I get you on the phone.
Also, the nice thing about contingency fees is that because it's not by the hour, I can work on a case for 6 months or for 3 years, and the fee is essentially going to be the same. It's not time driven. We can put a lot of hours into a case. The outcome is what's important, getting you to that great dollar value. And here's the last thing that's really important about a contingency fee. Most people can't afford to pay $400 an hour or to pay $10,000 retainer fee. It just means you don't get a lawyer. You don't get access to justice. You don't get your day in court to be heard. And I think that's just flat out wrong. Everyone should have the opportunity to be represented. Everyone should have their chance at getting justice. And with the contingency fees, anyone, no matter what your socioeconomic level is, no matter how poor you are or where you come from, has an opportunity to get into court and get the justice you deserve. And you don't have to pay unless you win. That's really important because it really is a great equalizer, I think, for everybody in society to have an access to the justice system and to get justice that makes sense.
Access to the courtroom shouldn't depend on whether or not you have deep pockets, right?
Shouldn't have to be rich to get there, and that's the beauty of the contingency system. Yeah, thank you for that question. Good question.